Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my Profit.co tutorial for beginners. What is Profit.co? This is a software that allows individuals, team members, and also business to set goals and strategize how they're going to achieve it. With this platform, you'll be able to break down your goals into different sections and you can set up micro goals or tasks that you can achieve to get to your main goal. You can also use it for task management, communication, and so much more. And the beautiful thing about it is you can get started for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. So what you're going to do, you're going to go onto profit.co and you're going to tap on get started. After you have selected get started, you can sign up using your email address. Once you have signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And I want you to close the pop-up box. After you have closed the pop-up box, you'll be redirected to your main dashboard. And you may be wondering, what does the OKRS stand for? Well, that is a framework that is used a lot when it comes onto Profit.co. OKRS mean objectives and key results. So you'll be creating your first objective. So you're going to tap on create objective. So that would be your goal. So you can select whether you like to create an individual goal or a corporate goal. So let's say, for example, we like to create an individual goal. So we'll type that in right there. And let's say my individual goal would be to increase sales. So I'll increase sales by 10% this year. So I'll type that in right there. Increase sales by 10%. And you can set up the period in which you would like to achieve that goal in. You can also select the visibility. So you could leave it on all employees and create some form of accountability, or you could select only yourself. Then after doing that, you can add tags if you want, or you can leave it as is. Then you'll tap on create in the bottom right hand corner. So you have now created your first objective, as you can see right there. You can select it. After you have selected it, from there you can create notes. So you could tap on create note and you could add in any note that may assist you. As you can see right there, you can create notes as you go along. And you can also tap on create objective and you could create a corporate goal if you want. After you have finished creating your first OKRS, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option. From there, you can tap on OKRS and you'll be able to see all of them by tapping on all. You can see all of them right there. So this would be my section right there. And if we were to tap on tasks, you can set different tasks to create this or to complete your goal. So you could tap on create task. After you have tapped on create task, you could type in the task name right here. So let's say, for example, I were to type in a task name right there, just say test. Then you can also assign the task to someone. You can set the due date right here. So you could set the due date and you could set the start date. So whenever you like them to start, as you can see right there. After you have done that, you can choose the priority, whether it is high priority or medium. And you can also tap on save, and then from there you will be able to view the scheduled tasks. You'll be able to see the tasks that are in progress and also the tasks that have been completed, as you can see right there. And from the top navigation bar, you'll be able to monitor all tasks for others or all tasks for employees, as you can see right there. And if we were to go over to the left hand menu option once more, you can also use Profit.co to create meetings. So you could select meetings, then from the top navigation bar, you're going to tap on schedule meeting. After tapping on schedule meeting, you can select whether it is a team meeting, or you can type in right here the department that you would like to have the meeting with. After doing that, you can add the participants. You can also add a title, and you can set the time and date that you would like to have the meeting. And if it is a case that you would like to add a quick description, you can do that right here. So not only is this a platform that you can use to set individual and team goals, but you can also use it for task management. So you can assign individuals to different tasks and you can monitor how long they take, but you can also use it to set up meetings. So this is the perfect platform whether you're a freelancer or whether you are in a corporate business. You can also go over to the left hand menu option and tap on performance, and from there you'll be able to view the performance of your team members. Now if we were to go down to the bottom left hand corner and tap on settings, after tapping on settings, from here you can see the different features that you can toggle on or off. Some of these features may only be available when you go onto the paid plan, so keep that in mind. Not all features will be available on the free plan, so you can see them right there. So these are what you will be getting, as you can see right there. You can also tap on security, and from here you'll be able to set up your security. You can tap on integration, and you can see the different platforms that you can integrate using Profit.co. Whether you like to integrate Jira, Monday.com, or HubSpot, you can see the different platforms, and there are numerous platforms that you can integrate onto it, as you can see right there. And if we were to tap on user management, this is where you'll be able to add new users, or you'll be able to remove users if you want. And that's basically it. If we should go back to our main dashboard and tap on home, that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you have any questions that you would like to ask me, let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.